Welcome back to another Middleton update video. We had a little bit of a hiatus there due to some technical difficulties and storage issues, but we are back with Magnolia Drones here in Florida doing a Middleton construction update. Starting off with Lake Harlow Park, we're going to go do the walking path around Lake Harlow Park. Quick flyover of the basketball courts, tennis courts, and pickleball court. We'll do a little more in-depth flyover here in just a little while. We're going to start the walking path around Lake Harlow. Try our best to avoid this branch here, getting a little creative with the flying. You'll see people are using this path. Look at this person biking. Looks like they are still doing some construction here, but the path itself is open. They used to have a no trespassing sign up there and an under construction sign. Those have both been removed. Coming around, we get a nice, beautiful shot of the lake. You'll see these birds coming in the top left of the screen there. Plenty of wildlife in the lake and the surrounding areas here. It's beautiful with the landscaping of what they've done and how many different species of animals have already moved in to call this area home in Middleton. I'm not sure what this building here does, but the path goes across its little entryway. Look both ways as you're going across there. Most likely your best bet, making sure that no working vehicles are crossing at the same time. Now looks like we got a little pixelated because of the sun there. I do apologize. I'm not used to flying in the morning. I need to work on updating the color settings there when I'm flying in the morning. Coming up to the park here, this is going to be Lake Harlow Canine Park on your right hand side. This side closest to us behind that fence is going to be for the larger dogs. Where that white pavilion is there is another side on the opposite end there, which is for the smaller dogs. This was filmed on a Saturday, so there was open houses. You'll see cars rolling around. There are a lot more people that have moved in since our last update video, but some of these cars are construction people as well as people looking for the open houses. We're coming back around at the lake to our original starting point. I'm going to go onto the actual park area. You see they've got the benches and the dog waste disposal areas. Now we have the pickleball courts and tennis courts. We'll fly over the fence and you'll have the basketball court. You can see the post office, mail station in the background, as well as the playground. The covered pavilions for picnics and meeting areas. We also have the cornhole right here underneath us. fun time going around and under this tree. See the ample parking that there is on both sides of the park. We'll come back and do a quick fly through of the playground that is still currently under construction. I have about 3/4 of the mulch laid down. Looks like all of the apparatuses are in. Once the mulch is done, I can only assume they'll put those gates back up and open them, but at this point we don't have a date just yet. At least not to my knowledge. If you do have a date, please leave it in the comments and where you found that information. I'd love to find out more. We got the pool over here. There were people at the pool, so I decided to not fly over them there, and we'll go ahead and start our Phase 1 construction update. This is starting over near the dog park, which will be behind us to our left a little bit. Phase 2 is going to be up and to our right. See, there's a lot more houses that have been built, a lot more people that have moved in, and a lot more lots that have been started. Right now, with the way the camera is positioned, we're flying over the park. The entryway to the neighborhood is just below us to the left. At this point, we're flying just outside of Phase 1 neighborhood here. We're going over the multimodal path just outside of the neighborhood that is still currently closed to general traffic there, with the construction still happening there with the school things. Trying to keep everybody safe, which we understand and appreciate. So at this point, the golf cars must stay within the neighborhood according to the no trespassing signs. We are starting to do our home construction update videos once again now that we've got our storage and technical difficulty issues fixed up here. Feel free to give us a text anytime. We are local to Middleton and can swing on over anytime you'd like, depending on rain. Packages starting around $350 for the 1-story houses, going up for the 2 stories. If you aren't interested in the construction updates, we do also have opportunities for home move-in specials as well for a one-time video for your friends and family. Feel free to give us a text anytime. Once again, that number is going to be 443-472-1826. Those construction videos should be a weekly update for you, so you can keep an update on your home and the progress of the construction. Extremely beneficial for those people who are not local to the community and can't come check up, but also great for people who would just like to document their building process as well. We're looking forward to helping you out. Welcome to Middleton. At this point here, we're going to be finishing the first half of phase 1. We'll be crossing back over the pool in the park area in the Lake Harlow Park. We'll be going to the right hand side of the neighborhood there, crossing over the entryway road. As you can see, those cars are driving straight out. The gates are not active yet for the entryways and exitways just yet. Looks like we got some new foundation being poured over on the corner there. Somebody else got a new roof. Things have been coming along really quick over on this side of the neighborhood, it looks like. Still a bunch of lots available, but if you grab one, it looks like they're putting them up pretty fast. Looks like a guy's doing the street sweeping at the moment, making sure that all the dirt gets off the road there from the construction vehicles and the rain, which is perfect and awesome, keeping everybody safe. Neighborhood looking maintained and manicured. I'm gonna pop over to phase 2. With where we're flying right now, we'll be kind of over the dog park right now, as well as the warranty department area. Kind of come along the tree line here in a moment. Looks like phase 2's got a lot going on right now. The hustle and bustle is continuing. A lot of exciting stuff going on. Once again, if you are one of these homes that's in the process of being built, or your home is going to be started being under construction shortly, feel free to text us for those home update videos at 443-472-1826. We're looking forward to helping out our neighbors any way we can. That truck is not zooming through the video. This shot has been sped up a little bit, so he was not driving super fast, despite what it appeared on your screen. At this point here, we'll be coming up to phase 2's park and recreational area. We have the basketball court and pickleball courts below us there, as well as the pool area and some other of the pavilions and the mail postal service section. Above us there on the top of your screen is going to be the school, which is the K through 8. We're going to come back down on the opposite end of phase 2 here, get a better look at some of the other lots under construction here. Looks like we got a couple of foundations on this side recently poured as well. I have seen photos of local residents in phase 1 that have seen small alligators in these ponds. If you are around and see one, please feel free to shoot me a message as well. I'd love to get a great video of one of those little guys. That's going to wrap it up for us this week. I hope you all have a great one. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more.